Welcome once again, creatives entrepreneurs. I'm super excited to have you once again on my channel. And I'm going to be talking about 5 entrepreneur skills you can learn with zero capital. 5 entrepreneur skill you can learn with zero capital. Now let's go as I show you step by step ways in which you can learn these skills with zero capital. Now the first slide here, I'm going to be sharing with you the list of skills you can learn. We have millions and thousands of skills all over the world. And if you have been looking for ways in which you can make money as an entrepreneur, these 5 skills is going to set you aside from the skills you may have learned in the past. Now, the first one is flip flop making. Flip flop making. Now, if you're someone that you've been looking for ways to make flip flop online and you don't have money, then this video is going to show you step by step ways in which you can start making flip flop on your own. You can get your brand name, you can get your materials, you can get all the information you need to stand by yourself. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you ways in which you can learn from the comfort of your home. So, if you have your phones with you, don't hesitate to follow up as I show you how you can get started. Then the second one is hair growth cream recipe. Now, hair growth cream recipe is a cream that when you use on your hair, it will improve your hair growth. And most people are online looking for these hair growth products that they can use for their hair growth. Most people that have hair losses, they are looking for products in which they can use for their hair growth. So this is an opportunity as an entrepreneur that when you learn this from the comfort of your home, you can start making it on your own. So all you just need is get a brand name, get a brand logo that will set you aside from other brand that has been existing, and you will start making money. Now, this is what you need. Just one thing you need is your phone. Your phone. Once you have your phone, you can do anything. Then the third one here is candle scent. Candle scent is a lucrative business that when you get started, you can make a lot of money. So you just need to watch this video step by steps. Pick up your biro, pick up your book, and list step by step. It may take you days, it may take you weeks, it may even take you a lot of months, it may take you a year to get this, but it doesn't matter. What matters is you getting this information and making use of it. And before you know, you become a CEO and you start making money online and offline. Then the fourth one here is makeup tutorials. If you are a lady, you have been looking for ways to become a makeup artist. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Then the fifth one here is face cleanser and pimples remover. If you are looking for ways in which you can start making face cleansers and pimples remover, I am going to show you how you can get started and start making face cleanser products that will make you a lot of money. So if you're an entrepreneur or you're a startup, these are 5 skills that will set you aside, and you when you start making these products, you will make a lot of impact, you will make a lot of opportunities for others and for yourself. You will even you will create job opportunities for those that have been looking for job. Now imagine you've learned this, you can also make tutorials just like I'm doing of how you can start making those products and teaching people online, and you will use it to monetize yourself. You can make open seminars that people will come and pay for teaching people how to learn all these 5 skills I am sharing for you for free. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm super excited to be sharing this information with you guys. So follow me as I show you where you can start watching those videos and start learning the skills that's required for you to grow. On my next slide here, now you can see this is a flip-flop picture. So you can learn flip-flop for free by watching how to do videos. Now I tell people that if you don't know how to do something, you learn how to do it. By what? By learning. Constant learning will set you aside from other people. When you learn something, you can teach people. It's just when you are trying to sell something, you are trying to create impact, valuable impact for people around the world. Now, if you are somebody that you've been looking for ways in which you can learn flip flop, pick up your phone, go to your YouTube channel, type how to make flip flop patterns. How to make flip flop patterns. So when you type how to make flip flop pattern, you are going to see different videos that is going to show you step by step ways in which you can make flip flop patterns. It's very easy. So I will advise you, get a book and get your pen. Pay close attention on how the videos are being treated on a step-by-step ways. So follow the process and pick up those information and start making flip-flop. It's so easy. I myself, I have learned how to make flip-flop online just by watching videos online. So pick up your phone, type how to make flip-flop patterns on YouTube. You are going to see different videos on step by step. Just follow the process. Don't get scared. Move and you will get it. And how do you start getting those products? If you are in the United States of America, if you are in Canada, if you are in UK and other parts of the world, you can go on Amazon and you are going to see different flip-flop materials that you can buy for cheap online, and it will help you to start making flip-flop. If you are anywhere around your environment, you can look for a local market in which you can go and get those materials at a cheap price. And you can make a sample little by little, little by little. You may make mistake, but with so many mistakes, you will definitely get it right. So the next slide here is hair growth cream, hair growth cream. So this is how you can make hair growth cream. Learn how to make hair growth product online. You can learn by reading blog posts, watching videos on YouTube, and how to do it yourself. Now, as you can see in this picture, this person is suffering from hair loss. Imagine you making hair growth product to solve issues relating to hair loss. You're making a lot of impact to those people. We have thousands of people that have issues with hair loss, as I shared in my last video. So now it's not you getting those products physically, it's you learning how to make it yourself. So go online, go to your YouTube channel, type how to make hair growth oil or how to make hair growth products myself or yourself. You're going to see it online. So just type it on your YouTube channel. It's going to bring out so many search. So take those videos and start watching. It's going to help you to learn how to make hair growth oil or hair growth cream. The next one here is Candle Saint. Candle Saint is a profitable business you can start from the comfort of your home. Learn by watching step by step on YouTube. The same step, pick up your phone, type how to make candle scents business. Is going to show you different videos of how you can make candle scents by yourself. So it's not all about you buying it in the market. It's all about how you can make it by yourself. So this is a great opportunity that when you start today, when you start watching these videos, you will create a lot of impact for yourself. So start making candle scent business by yourself. So just like I said in the previous slide, get a brand name. When you get a brand name, it will set you aside from other brands. Now you now know that okay, already have a brand name. And candle scents, you can sell different types. People that that just wedded, people that are dating, people that are in a relationship, people, even different occasions, birthdays and stuffs like that. So you can sell different types of candle scents, and before you know, you start making a lot of money. And one of the good things is that the materials are not expensive. So look for a local market where you can get those materials and you can start making candle scents. Let's go to the next slide. On this next slide, makeup. You can become a makeup artist just by watching videos of professionals online. We have so many professional makeup artists online. Most of them do not go to a school of professional artist making, but you can watch those videos step by step. It will take you days, it will take you months, but make sure you learn how to do it by yourself. Following it step by step will set you aside from other people. And before you know, you can start charging people to train them on how to to become a makeup artist. On the next slide here is face cleanser. You can now also watch videos on how to make face cleanser, dark spot removers, pimples and anti-aging face cleanser. Now, if you are looking for products in which we show you how to make face cleanser, go to your YouTube channel, type how to make face cleanser cream or how to make face cleanser oil. It's going to pop out. Follow those process step by step. You will notice that it is not hard. So it's all about getting started. It's all about trying something new. It's all about adding more skills. If you take the days and months to learn these skills, it will set you aside. It's not all about learning, it's not all about making the money now. It's all about creating multiple stream of income for the future. The posterity is waiting for you. The posterity is waiting for your product. Don't wait now. Anywhere you are in the world, pick up this product and start learning online. Create those business opportunities that will set you aside from other people. Finally, here on my slide, I'm going to say the best way to predict the future is to create it. If you've been sleeping, go and wake up and start making money. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to be sharing more information on how you can promote this product you've learned online. Thank you guys. I'll be seeing you in the next word.